What on earth am I here for? A life devoted to things is a dead life. A stump, a God-shaped life, is a flourishing tree. Blessed are those who trust in the Lord. They are like trees planted along a river bank with roots that reach deep into the water. Such trees are not bothered by the heat or worried by long months of drought. Their leaves stay green and they go right on producing delicious fruit.